Hi, I'm here to promote the Age Award to our undergraduate students here. It's open to both full and part-time undergraduate students at Ulster University. Well, the benefits are plentiful in that a huge and very high proportion of our employers are now recognising the importance of additional and extra curricular skills that the student can bring to the table basically. So the Age Award is a fantastic vehicle in order for you as a student to do that. So we have 6 different categories and over 150 different activities that you as an individual student can select from. You can personalise that to yourself, or indeed you can move out of your comfort zone and do something totally different to the degree that you're studying. Examples such as if you have a part-time job, this can be age accredited. If you volunteer in our community, again this is another age activity. Or you may wish to do sign language training. As I mentioned, it's a fantastic vehicle in terms of promoting to future employers, and it's something to really talk about during your interview. And it must be complete before graduation in order to receive an additional certificate. Indeed, if you do 4 activities, you may wish to complete the Age Award, or indeed if you want to push yourself a little bit further and do 6 activities, that would be the Age Excel completed for you, and an award that you can take with you on your journey to your future employer. It's very, very important firstly that you do register for the award, and then you can call in to any of the careers hubs across campuses in order to get the careers team to help you on your journey in terms of achieving the Age Award.